Hey guys, what is going on? Big John here with another product review. In today's video, we're going to be going over the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Now, I'm not going to go over all the in-depth tech specs for this watch. There's plenty of other videos for that. This is a real, just everyday person talking to a real everyday person. Do you need the Ultra 2? Let's find out. Okay, so first of all, I think what is appealing about the Ultra and the Ultra 2 is that it doesn't look like your regular run-of-the-mill Apple Watch. All the Apple Watches look the same. I don't care what you say. It is very difficult to tell, especially just at a passing glance, what watch you have. If you are sporting an Apple Watch Ultra or an Ultra 2, people know that's a better watch, right? So that's like, it's a status thing for a lot of people. This watch, the Ultra 2, comes in at $799. It's an $800 watch, where the Series 10 comes in at $399. Half the price of an Ultra 2. And you can also get the SE, which is a really small, dainty version, which actually my wife has and looks great on her wrist and has all the same features, but it's just a smaller watch, and that comes in at $249. So from $249 to $800 is your range. So there is an Apple Watch for everybody in everybody's price point. So aside from just being a status symbol, and people recognizing this as the highest end Apple Watch you can get, there are other features to this watch that attracted me to buying. First of all, I'm 6'6", so the 49mm case is very attractive to me. If I were to put an SE on my wrist, it would look ridiculous. I mean, the SE comes in at like 40mm. My wrists and arm, everything's big, so the 49mm case actually looks perfect on my wrist. In terms of water resistance, this is 100 meters, and I believe the 10 is 50. So if you're looking to dive underwater and keep this thing on 100 meters, you're good to go. This does have built-in cellular connectivity with precision dual function GPS. So if you're hiking, if you're really into going on trails and doing all that kind of stuff and just getting out there and doing adventure, this is a good watch for you. The battery life is awesome on this thing. I can get probably 2 days charge out of this thing. I don't have to charge this every single day like I did with my other Apple Watches. I believe this is a 36-hour charge, whereas the other Apple Watches, those are 18 hours. One interesting fact about the charging of these watches is that this can go from 0% to 80% in 1 hour, whereas the Series 10 can go from 0 to 80% in a half an hour. But there is a lot more going on in this to charge, so that does make sense. But 1 hour every 2 days is about what it takes to keep this thing going, which is awesome. I don't have to charge it every day, which I like. One more thing that I really, really enjoy about this watch is I try to work out often, and when I do, just having the one button on the left, the orange button, jumps you right into your workout screen. Now, you can have like a workout app, your workout app, like on your home screen under the modular face of it, which is fine. You can do that, but I just like having that button and it goes right to your workout. It's just boom, boom. It's just something for me, having a dedicated button for the workout. It's a little thing, but it makes me like it that much more. And of course, the best part about all these watches is that there are so many options for bands. Whether you're dressing up or just working out, you know, there's a multitude of bands, which I'll probably do another video on that later on as well. The different amount of bands that you can have on all these watches are good. But is the Ultra 2 really something that you should buy? Is that something you should buy? Only you know that, but like for me, the things that differentiate is obviously the look and the feel. It's bigger, which I like because I, again, have big wrists, big arms, and the smaller watches look ridiculous on my arm. So it's a bigger watch, which I like. That was actually kind of the main reason I bought it. Just the fact that it has built-in dual function GPS and cellular connectivity, and that side button, dude. I love that side button that goes right to the workout. It's something so stupid and simple and silly, but I do love it. So I hope that kind of helps you determine whether or not the Ultra 2 is for you, or if you should stick with a Series 10 or maybe even an SE. The decision is yours. I, of course, will have links directly to these products down in the description, so feel free to click on those links. Appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye then.